Leg cramps are a common and often painful issue among seniors, frequently triggered by dehydration, poor circulation, or deficiencies in key nutrients such as potassium, magnesium, and calcium. Fortunately, diet plays a powerful role in preventing leg cramps by replenishing essential electrolytes and supporting overall muscle and nerve function. In today's video, I am going to discuss about top 10 foods that can help prevent leg cramps, especially for elder people. Number 1. Bananas are perhaps the most well-known food for cramp prevention due to their high potassium content. Potassium helps regulate nerve and muscle function, making it essential for preventing involuntary muscle contractions. Bananas also contain magnesium and vitamin B6, both of which contribute to muscle relaxation and improved nerve function. Including a banana in your daily diet, whether as a snack or part of a breakfast smoothie, can provide consistent support against cramps. Number 2. Leafy green vegetables such as spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are excellent sources of magnesium, calcium, and potassium, all critical for healthy muscle function. Magnesium in particular plays a vital role in muscle relaxation, and a deficiency is often linked to cramps. These greens also offer hydration and vitamin K, which supports blood flow and muscle health. Adding leafy greens to salads, soups, or smoothies is a simple way to boost daily nutrient intake. Number 3. Avocados are nutrient-dense fruits that supply a significant amount of potassium, more than bananas in some cases, alongside magnesium and heart-healthy monounsaturated fats. These nutrients work together to maintain fluid balance, reduce inflammation, and support muscle control. The healthy fats in avocados also enhance the body's absorption of fat-soluble vitamins, such as vitamin D, which is important for muscle and nerve health. They can be enjoyed on toast, in salads, or blended into smoothies. Number 4. Sweet potatoes are another potassium-rich food that also contains magnesium, calcium, and complex carbohydrates. The fiber and slow-digesting carbohydrates in sweet potatoes help maintain steady energy levels, which can be beneficial for overall muscle endurance. Baked or roasted sweet potatoes make a delicious and nutritious side dish or base for a balanced meal. Number 5. Yogurt, particularly Greek yogurt, is a strong source of calcium and also contains potassium and magnesium. Calcium is vital for muscle contractions and nerve signaling, while the probiotics in yogurt can support gut health, which in turn may improve nutrient absorption. Choosing low-sugar, plain yogurt and pairing it with fruit or nuts adds both flavor and extra nutrients beneficial to cramp prevention. Number 6. Watermelon is a hydrating fruit that not only replenishes fluids, but also provides potassium and magnesium. It contains the amino acid L-citrulline, which may improve blood flow and reduce muscle soreness. Because dehydration is a leading cause of cramps in seniors, eating water-rich fruits like watermelon can help maintain proper fluid and electrolyte balance, particularly during warm weather. Number 7. Nuts and seeds, such as almonds, sunflower seeds, and pumpkin seeds, are excellent sources of magnesium and healthy fats. A small handful daily can significantly contribute to magnesium intake, which supports muscle relaxation and helps prevent spasms. They also offer protein and antioxidants, which support tissue repair and reduce inflammation. These can be eaten as snacks or added to cereals, yogurts, and salads. Number 8. Oranges and other citrus fruits like grapefruits and lemons are not only rich in vitamin C, but also contain potassium and magnesium. Vitamin C supports collagen production and healthy blood vessels, which aid in circulation and muscle function. Their hydrating nature and electrolyte content make them a refreshing and effective option for reducing cramp risk. Number 9. Beans and legumes, such as black beans, lentils, and chickpeas, are packed with magnesium, potassium, and calcium, along with plant-based protein and fiber. These nutrients collectively support nerve and muscle function, and their slow-digesting carbohydrates provide sustained energy that can prevent muscle fatigue. Incorporating beans into soups, salads, or stews is an easy way to make meals more nutritious and leg cramp friendly. Number 10. Coconut water is a natural electrolyte drink that contains potassium, magnesium, calcium, and sodium. It's especially helpful in replenishing lost fluids and electrolytes after sweating or during hot weather. For seniors who may be prone to dehydration, sipping coconut water throughout the day can offer a flavorful and effective way to stay hydrated and ward off muscle cramps. Incorporating these foods regularly into a diet can significantly reduce the occurrence of leg cramps by restoring electrolyte balance, supporting hydration, and improving muscle and nerve health. Alongside a balanced diet, staying hydrated, stretching regularly, and monitoring medications that may deplete essential minerals are also key strategies to prevent leg cramps. I hope this discussion was helpful to you. I'd really like to hear your thoughts. What was the most surprising thing you learned today? Leave a comment below and let's keep this important conversation going. Thank you all for watching the video. I hope you liked the video. Please like, share, and leave a comment. Also, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications for more videos like this. See you in the next video. Until then, take care.